Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today I'm here again with baby Ted in the workshop. We would like to show you some of the work that we're currently working on, or will be within the next couple of days. So this set that we've got in front of us, Ted, what set is this?
Mark 2.
That's right, it's a Jaguar Mark 2.
Jaguar Mark 2.
Good lad. Now you can see from this set it's something a little bit different, because this is actually going to go into a race car, and there has been some alterations to it compared to normal.
So
Ted's going to show you one of them.
So look.
What about this piece? So this piece, Ted, goes on there.
Yeah, I know.
Right,
I know,
so that would be the dashboard like that, and you could see.
I know, Grandad, but wait a minute. I don't told this is to this side.
Yeah.
Will be the banana side.
The banana side.
Yeah. So them two sides are going to be to here.
Yeah.
Like a dumb car. So
it's going in a race car, isn't it?
Yeah. All of the piece go make a bump thing for turn right and left.
Yeah.
Drive far.
It'll go really fast.
Yeah, but I don't want Grandad to go too fast.
Don't want Grandad to go too fast, do you?
Yeah. No.
Right. Can we show him this piece then?
Yeah.
So this is a glove box door. Similar, it is a Jaguar Mark II glove box door. That hasn't been altered, but the surround has again the other side. So you can see on that how the lacquer is all dried up. When it does that, the lacquer is no longer doing what it's supposed to do. It's not protecting the veneer. If you rub your hand across it, you can hear that it's really dry. That's it. The veneer underneath, you can sand it and it'll make it look a little bit better, but in my eyes that has now gone. It needs to be re-veneered to get it back to how it should be. The back of it, it's got a little bit more lacquer. You can see all the lines, the cracks. That is, even though it looks like that, that is actually the lacquer, and sometimes you can strip that off. You can strip that off and it possibly come up, but the other side is just dried out, so we're going to be doing that side as well. And then we've got the glove box surround, which is like that. You can see this normally isn't here because it has a side piece on there.
This is the ultimate thing.
The ultimate thing?
Yeah.
Right.
Here.
Yeah.
And let me do something with this.
Okay.
So this looks like a computer.
It's like a computer.
Yeah, to work on. So that's it now.
Right. So that's that piece. You can see all the veneers coming off there. Can you see it, Ted?
Yeah.
Can you pick some of that off?
This one.
Yeah. Can you see how it's falling off? That means that the glue is obviously not working anymore. Back in the day they used to use an animal glue on this. Today, in today's day, we would use a resin. We'd use a 2-part resin to actually bond this back together with heat. So that'll be nice and solid again. Now this is the top roll. Now this goes along the top of the dash for those who haven't got a Jag Mark II.
It's a one piece.
Yeah.
And this one is going on in this bit.
Right.
So the top off there is going to be the house to here.
Yeah.
To net in here. Just about in the little bit.
Alright, okay.
So that's it now.
Right. So should we just say the last bit? Right. So this is from what car, can you remember?
Jaguar 2.
A Jaguar Mark II, good boy. So this is the top roll from a Jaguar Mark II, like Ted said. The back edge is all falling off, crumbling, and it's rotting, isn't it? You're going to take a piece off there, yeah? So it's literally falling off, so we're going to have to remake that back piece, re-veneer that back piece to match this line that goes down here and along this front edge. You can see that there's been 2 curves cut out there and another one at the other side. It's been cut out so it fits a roll bar that comes down like that to protect the driver when he's racing around the track, basically. So that's why they've been cut out. So basically that's it, a Jaguar Mark II that's going to go very, very fast.
Yeah.
So have you got anything else to say, Ted?
Yeah. So this one is first. This one first, and that's it.
This one?
Yes, this one first.
Right, okay.
Yeah, and that's done.
Right, okay.
So,
thank you very much for watching. Please click like, share and tell your friends. You're going to wave try, Ted?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, John.